Hi everyone, it's Miss Timey from the Ocean City Public Library. Today I wanted to give you a tour of Tumblebooks, which is one of our online subscriptions. The Tumblebook Library has a collection of 1,100 titles for children in kindergarten through 6th grade, including over 250 animated picture books, which they are most well known for. These are created using existing picture books and adding animation, sounds, and narration. Tumblebooks also offers chapter books, graphic novels, and nonfiction titles, as well as digital books in Spanish and French. I will note that this resource is streaming, so books are not downloaded to your device. Let's get started. So to access Tumblebooks, you want to start at our website, oceancitylibrary.org. From here, click on Visit, and then Children, which takes you to our children's page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom where we have our online resources for children. After you click on Tumblebooks, you'll be prompted to enter your library card number. So after you're logged into Tumblebooks, you can browse these various tabs based on content. Let's take a look under Storybooks. So not all of these are animated, but many are, and you can see they are organized by different types. They have new books, award winners, early readers, some different authors are highlighted, as well as different topics: school, animal friends, sports, and health. Let's go up and check out a Bink and Golly. So once you click on a title, you are taken to a page with a book summary and book details, which includes the length of the ebook as well as the reading level. If I look over on the left here, I can see that this is an animated book. So let's click Play Video. And Tumblebooks highlights sentences during narration, which helps readers follow along and can be very helpful.
Kudos, Bink and Golly. Look, Bink, said Golly. Here is Edna Odell and her collection of internet.
Okay. Going to the read-along tabs, these are titles in Tumblebooks that offer an audio feature that allow children to follow along as the book is read to them. And you can see there's early readers, chapter books, advanced readers, and children's classics. So let's click on early readers to see the full collection here. And I'm going to click on a Nancy Drew and the Clue Crew. So once you open the book, you can see that there's a menu on the bottom. And I just want to note that with these books, you are able to change the size of the text as well as the font. You can even change the background color and the text color as well, which some readers may find especially helpful. And on the bottom left here, you simply click play, and again you're going to see that sentences are highlighted during narration.
Chapter 1. Guess what? Wow, Nancy, George Fane said as she raced down the school steps.
Okay, going back to the Tumblebook main page, the ebook and the graphic novel tabs both include titles that can be read online, but there is no audio component. Let's check out the graphic novels just because these are really popular with kids. And I'm going to check out a Geronimo Stilton. Once I open it, I can see that the graphics are nice and large. And on the top left, I just want to note that you can jump to chapters and even page numbers here, which can be helpful. So the nonfiction tab takes you to the nonfiction titles that are available through this resource. Many of these are animated and have a video which reads the book to children, and you can see they are organized by various topics as well. I also want to show you the language learning tab, which takes you to the titles that are available in French and Spanish. And the last thing I want to show you is up at the right, you'll see there's a Tumble search. This allows you to search Tumblebooks using a specific term. And you can search by title, by author, subject, genre, language. Let's really quick do a search for titles that have to do with the moon. And you can see the list of results shows the book details and summary, and you can quickly browse to see which books are animated as well. So that's Tumblebooks. It's a great resource that really helps support and engage young readers, and I hope you have fun with it.